Cool, welcome to the channel, guys. Today, I'll show you how to do some surface profile measurements. This is on, these are some inserts, I believe, for stern tubes for a super yacht. And this little outside lip was blasted. What we're doing is etching an imprint of the surface profile. While I do this, I'll put up a picture of, what surface profile looks like from the side, like a side profile view of like flat steel. On a microscopic level, it's not flat, and you don't want flat actually. If it's polished and smooth, no coatings are going to stick to it. So there are a few newer variations, modern variations of this test, but I prefer the old school. Yeah, 1.7. 1.7. Actually, you have to make sure when you're using this, you have to make sure that you're not at 0. You actually go -2, which accounts for the thickness of the Testex tape. Now you know. 1.7. 1.7. If I'm not mistaken, for this, the surface profile is 1.5 to 2.5. So 1.7, as you can see, that's good. So yeah, that's how you do surface profile measurements.